Recent trends show kids consume more YouTube content than adults, fueling millions, sometimes billions of views. Take this channel, for example. It's a faceless kids content channel that started just last September. With only 30 videos, it's already pulling in over 300,000 views every month. And according to Social Blade, it's earning around $2,000 monthly. That's proof you don't need a huge library or a personal brand to start earning on YouTube. And the best part is that kids' videos are faceless, so no need to showing your face and investing in expensive gear. You can automate the whole process with AI. Here's the video we will create together today.
A dark, lonely moon. Can you believe it? 3, 2, 1, blast off! We zoomed through space, stars twinkling all around us. It was amazing. When we got to the moon, it was so dark and gloomy. We tried our special light-up gadgets, but nothing worked.
In the end of this video, you will also be able to create videos like this. Let's start. In the first step, we'll develop an idea for our video. I can say this is the most important step. I've created a formula for this step, and with this formula, you can create stories in any way you like. You can find it in the description. In the first part of the formula, as you can see, I'll ask for 5 stories to be created for a specific audience that you define. You'll lock in that audience here. Then, in this part, you'll write what outcome you want from the stories. After that, you specify how long you want the videos for these stories to be. Finally, in the last section, you describe the tone you want and what the main topic is. I've created an example here. Let's take a look together. Yes, as seen in the example, I asked for stories created for children aged 6 to 10 who love space and animals. I want these stories to teach these. I want the video versions of the stories to be 60 seconds long. Lastly, as I noted here, I want an energetic tone, and I wrote that the context should include space and cute animals. This way, the stories will be created exactly the way I want and tailored to my defined audience. Now let's generate them and use them. Yes, now I'll review the stories one by one. I liked the first one. We can move forward with that. In this story, a space adventure is told through the eyes of a rabbit. It talks about space and working together in a positive spirit. In the end, it shows how friendship can have an effect across the stars. I think it's really good. I'll use this one. The only thing is, the video prompt was created in a kind of dialogue format, so I'll tweak it a bit accordingly. I can use it like this. Now the video prompt is ready. You can prepare your video prompt like this as well. With the custom prompt created, I can now move on to creating the video. Before we start creating the video, let me briefly tell you about the tool we'll be using. This will be helpful for you. The tool we're using generates videos using only text commands. It is called InVideo AI. As you can see in the video here, it allows you to create videos in many different categories. You simply enter text, and the tool turns it into a complete video. It prepares the script, the visuals, the voiceover, and the overall structure, resulting in a fully produced video. You can also edit videos with text prompts. For example, you can change scenes in different ways just by describing them. Or you can change the language of the video with a single prompt. This tool supports a wide range of video categories. You can see some examples here. We'll be using this tool today. There are many such tools available, but I can say this is one of the best in the market today. Quick pit stop. If you're enjoying the video so far, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the notification bell. It tells the algorithm we are doing something right, and honestly, it's like a digital high five for me. Thank you. Now, let's jump back in. Yes, now comes the most fun part. Starting the video production. You can go to the link I've shared below to create your account. Once you sign up, you'll be greeted with this screen. As you can see, it's quite simple. It just asks us for a prompt. I'll paste the prompt we prepared earlier here. I'll also make 2 small additions, one for the video length and another for the animation style I want. I'm adding those like this. And now I'm starting the production process. Before generating the video, the tool does a quick pre-analysis based on the prompt. It's basically doing a bit of prep work. Once that's complete, it asks for a few more details before creating the video. First, it asks what kind of media should be used. I'll leave it on generated media. Then it asks what kind of audience the video is for. It has already selected children, so I'll leave it as is. I will also keep the video format as is YouTube, since I want to have a widescreen format video. After making sure selections are good, I start the production. Now the video generation has started. It's taking all the inputs, the text, music, voice, and visuals, and putting them together into one video. This takes a few minutes, so I'm fast-forwarding through this part. Our video is ready. Let me show you a few of the scenes. We've got some really cute ones. Before showing the full video, I want to demonstrate how you can make edits. First, we can use the edit panel here. When we click on it, we can view all the scenes one by one. We can replace these scenes with stock media, upload our own media, or click Generate to create new visuals based on descriptions we provide. There's also a music section. The tool automatically adds background music, but we can change it to any track we like, either by uploading our own or choosing from the InVideo AI's library. As you can see, it also generates a full script from start to finish, like a voiceover script with all the details. You can edit anything in this script, such as character names or dialogue. Plus, there's a section for adjusting voice and other settings. And here is a prompt box to make quick edits. For example, if you want to add subtitles, change specific words, or switch the language, you can do all that here too. Now, I'm going to make a few changes. Actually, I'll just add subtitles, and then I'll show you the final version. As you can see, subtitles have been added. Now let me show the final version.
Hi there! I'm Astro Bunny, and boy do I have a story for you. It's about the time my friends and I went on a super duper important space mission. We were all so excited when Mission Control told us we had to go light up a dark, lonely moon. Can you believe it? 3, 2, 1, blast off! We zoomed through space, stars twinkling all around us. It was amazing. When we got to the moon, it was so dark and gloomy. We tried our special light-up gadgets, but nothing worked. We were about to give up when my friend Stella Squirrel had an idea. "Let's all hold hands and think happy thoughts," she said. And guess what? The moon started to glow. Our kindness and teamwork were lighting it up. We danced and cheered as the moon shone brighter and brighter. It was like a big nightlight in space. So remember, kids, a little kindness can go a long way, even to the moon and back. The end.
Overall, the video was impressive in terms of animation quality. To be honest, a few scenes felt slightly off, but thanks to the scene editing feature I showed earlier, they can be easily adjusted. What I really loved was how the tool created a strong, visually engaging storyline and visuals from just a single prompt. I've dropped a link in the description so you can start using InVideo AI. Go check it out. Before we end the video, I want to quickly mention something about monetizing kids' videos and channels. Although the new APA rules have restricted targeting and engagement on platforms like YouTube, leading to lower ad revenue, the niche is still profitable thanks to the massive number of views. Ads, affiliate deals, and sponsorships can still bring in solid income. Even with new rules, smart creators can still build a thriving kids channel. So if you'd like to join the game and start creating kids content, the link for the video generator is in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.